So you want me to enter this? Nah,
It's
man,
cool.
nah.
But you can use this flotation device.
Floating. What they say? They floating. They gonna be hating.
Put both feet.
If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. Seeds.
Premium from Costco.
No, I have to contemplate. I have to consider. I'm aquaphobic, man.
Costco.
Why do I have to be aquaphobic?
Flotation device for the seeds.
Just
good.
So this